Thank you for tuning into Avid Retro. Today I have a short video for you, and it's about a David Lynch Twin Peaks box set. Now, just a little bit of background. I've always been a bit of a David Lynch film fanatic, and I probably got into watching his stuff in the very late 80s when I picked up on Blue Velvet, so that was probably my first film. I guess at the time a bit of a shocking film to watch for someone of my age. It sort of got me interested in that kind of film noir, the kind of dark underbelly of regular life, I guess. In 1990, I went abroad for the very first time, and it was on an American summer camp program. I spent sort of 3 to 4 months away from home, and at the tail end of my time away, I was catching up with a great aunt, an aunt of my father's, and she lived in Toronto. And I remember going to see the film Wild at Heart in the cinema over there, and it was a right kind of ball. Everyone was really up for the film. There was lots of noise, probably a little bit similar to the reaction that some people had going to see the latest Minecraft movie. People were just kind of wild in there, making lots of noise and shouting out and stuff. Even though I thought it was quite a serious film in parts, maybe that was just a difference in the way Canadians and British are, I don't know. But anyway, I came back to England and I did watch Wild at Heart a second time. This time when I watched it in the cinema at home, it was taken very differently. Everyone was dead silent, took it very seriously. So that was quite an interesting contrast, I remember. Around that time, Twin Peaks was coming out, and that was, I guess, a real kind of change to the regular stuff. I mean, it kind of followed a basic premise, like who killed this person, basically. So that probably caught people's attention in the same way as maybe Who Killed JR did in Dallas, which was obviously a lot earlier. Watching Twin Peaks was quite satisfying. It was a nice packaged show, introducing slowly all these different characters. I mean, it had that feeling, I guess, of things were being made up, as the show went along, trying to create even more bizarre twists and turns. And the log lady was a bit of a strange one, wasn't it? But anyway, I'll bring you back to the video. I made a video just a few months back where I found this video in a charity shop for 30p. So this was a Twin Peaks. This is the pilot video of the first episode. Okay, this was one that was almost like a feature film, basically. I picked that up quite cheap, and that got me thinking, actually, because as some of you might already know, I've got a couple of laserdisc players and a collection of quite a few laserdiscs, and I thought I'll just have a Google online and see what sort of Twin Peaks stuff is out there. I found Fire Walk with Me. I found that quite easily. I started to sort of delve into the box sets of Twin Peaks, and I found a promising one in Japan. It was a 29 episode, massive kind of big box set of the first 2 seasons, the original 2 seasons. As we know, the 3rd season that came along most recently is quite way off and quite different to those first 2 seasons. We're going to jump in to unboxing the box from Japan and really just have a look at how it's packaged up, what came with it. Now, I think there was probably only 7,000 copies of this sold, and it was limited to the Japanese market. They seem to take more care in some of their laser discs and made some nice sort of rarities. I'm not saying that this is rare, but it's hopefully going to be an interesting watch anyway. So 2005, I was actually traveling on the west side of America, and I went to the Snoqualmie Falls, where the opening sequence of Twin Peaks was kind of filmed from. That was quite nice to actually visit that area. I'll stick a photo in there now so you can see. I would like to play you some music, but unfortunately that's not going to be possible. Some Twin Peaks music. So let's just get straight into this unboxing. So I've been waiting for this for several months. It's come in by ship, or ships I should say, so it's taken a hell of a long time to get here. This is it. It's heavy. Now, I did decide to get hold of another Fire Walk with Me film. So this is the Japanese one. a quick look at that before we go any further. It's got multiple bits of plastic. Oh, I see what they've done. A4 dividers. Oh, that's really good actually. Excellent. Right, on to the main prize. I'm going to turn this ring light off. Hopefully it won't be too reflective. So that's the front. Not too bad. Bit of tape holding the side just there. But otherwise, yeah, just a bit of tape holding some of this, the sides of this box together. So it looks like a bit of information about the actors. Now there's 15 discs in here, and I think they're all double-sided except for maybe one. I'm not sure. We'll find out, but yeah, lots of information about each episode. Need to run that through the translator now, don't I? Create a English version of this. It's even got a map of where the action took place. The fictional town. It had quite a stellar cast at the time, didn't it? It had a lot of people in it. And then when the films were out, even David Bowie was in it, wasn't he? So this is the first one. So that's interesting. Is that actually part of the box set? Or is that an extra to this? So this has got possibly the pilot on it. They're great, aren't they? Just like having records, really. Yeah, but yeah, so that's got a separate barcode. I wonder if that's a different disc, actually. We'll find out in a minute, won't we, if we count how many we have. But it says here side 1, episode 1, so I presume that this is the standard kind of version. Good little picture of David Lynch there on the back. Agent Cooper and Sheriff Harry, was it? Truman, Harry Truman? This is the guy, wasn't it, in the hotel? Again, David Lynch on the back. So every one of these looks to have one episode on each side, which is nice. That looks like James, and Donna, and Audrey, wasn't it? Yeah. The Giant. They've all got the little David Lynch on the back. It was his alter ego, wasn't it? It was Bob. But this is Ray Wise playing Mr. Palmer. I wonder if any of this will come off though. It looks like it's got a bit of a tea stain on there. Expect maybe to see a bit of damp as well because of where these have perhaps been stored. There's Audrey again. Donna. And Laura Palmer. Looks like to be in the red room. You think that might have been done on the red one, mightn't you? On a red kind of background, but it's been done like that. But they're quite impressive pieces of stills and artwork from the actual series, aren't they? Oh yeah, here's Bad Bobby. Shelley, wasn't it? I'm sure my hair was like that once. Sheriff Truman. Is it Josie? Someone's got to let me know in the comments if I'm guessing these right or not. Oh my gosh, who's that? Who is that? Oh, that's the guy out of the Titanic, isn't it? Billy Zane, isn't it? Who did he play in there? And he's with Audrey. Gosh, it's been a while since I watched it, so maybe I should endeavour to watch it on laserdisc rather than via DVD or anything. Now this lady, she was a good actor in Wes Craven's The People Under the Stairs. Oh, what's her name? I can't remember her name, but yeah, actually her and her husband from the People Under the Stairs, they were both in Twin Peaks, but yeah, but she was good, wasn't she? Oh, and here's the little dwarf, the dancing dwarf. And Mr. Evil himself, Bob. I guess he had quite a small part really in it, didn't he? I mean, he was there clash bits. So yeah, for him to be on the sleeve. Yeah, and a little bit of sort of damp creeping in there. So it says episode 29 side 2, episode 28 side 1. So there were 15. So did episode 1 cover both sides? So I have to check. What's this? This looks to be a guide disc to the mystery, clue to the mystery. Oh, let's run through some of these names then. So Laura Palmer, Dale Cooper, Harry S. Truman, Jocelyn Packard, Lawrence Jacoby, Audrey Horne, Benjamin Horne, Catherine Martell, Pete Martell, Renette Pulaski, Leo Johnson, Shelley Johnson, Bobby Briggs, Nadine Hurley, Big Ed Hurley. Yeah, Big Ed was the other person who was in The People Under the Stairs. Norma Jennings, Hack Jennings. Is that Jean Renault? Jean Renault, yeah, he wasn't nice, was he? Denise. Oh, this was the guy from X-Files, David. What's his name? You know who I mean, do you? The guy from the X-Files. Gordon Cole. Well, Gordon Cole was played by David Lynch. Albert Rosenfield, William Hayward, Donna Hayward, James Hurley, Madeline Ferguson, Leyland Palmer, Sarah Palmer. So that's the parents of Laura Palmer. Philip Gerard, Andy Brennan, Lucy Moran. Oh, she was a character, wasn't she? Tommy the Hawk Hill, the Log Lady, Garlin Briggs, Wyndham Earl, Annie Blackburn, the Waiter, Little Man from Another Place, the Giant, and Killer Bob. So that's a reasonably rare. I suppose it's all quite rare, but this is, yeah, a 10-inch laserdisc single. Excellent. And I seem to have something here for that. It's just a return thing, is it? I don't think there's anything else in there. Well, I don't know if I'm missing maybe a card or possibly some other bits. I'd have to check. I've just found something else. I thought this might be missing. Is this the price? Maybe it is. 198,000 yen. But all in, pretty complete. And I have got a feeling that that might be extra, but I'm not going to say it is just yet. Let's just check on here if we have got one episode on each side. Yeah, so it's this one. Basically, it goes side 1, episode 7, side 2, episode 8, part 1, and then episode 8, part 2. So one of the episodes is spread over 2 sides. The laserdisc players that I've got, they both have that 2-side play feature, so it saves you having to get up halfway through to flip the disc over. It just moves ahead in the machine to play the second side. So yeah, once I put in one of these, and you're good to go for 2 episodes. Quite cheap. It's the shipping costs that bumped that up. It was the shipping costs. Well, thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I shall do similar videos and more fix-it videos in the future. Bye for now.